guys, and happy spooky season. It's your girl Jasmine, and in today's video we are just doing a little get ready with me featuring LUVME Hair. Thank you LUVME Hair for sponsoring today's video. So this is going to be a spooky season wig install where I'm going to be showing you how I install this gorgeous ombre unit and show you guys how I get like a last minute Halloween makeup look for like when you really don't want to put in any effort, but you want to put in a little bit of effort and still feel like you're in costume. I got you, girl. So first things first, as you can see, this wig is gorgeous. Second things second, I'm gonna have all the specs and details on this wig in the description box down below for you guys to check out, along with links. Okay, so check that out for sure. But as you can see, this wig is so pretty. I absolutely loved it. Love the color. I love that it had like dark roots and it transitioned into a very light, like almost chestnut brown shade. And it is a 5x5, so you don't have full parting space, but I usually only part in like the middle or on the side anyway, so that is perfect and super easy for me. So as you can see, I'm just taking the Got To Be spray and I'm going ahead and spraying the areas where the lace and my hairline are, and I'm just putting an elastic band on it so that it lays nice and flat. And while that is drying, I'm just taking my hair down and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the top of my head. So I'm taking a wax stick and I'm putting that on basically along my parting space. And I just wanna get rid of any like flyaways or any stray hairs that just might not be in place. I really wanna make sure those lay down and that my hair is giving scalp, okay? And it's gonna go with the costume, you guys. I feel, well, not costume, it's a quick little makeup look using only one eyeliner. That's it. So I'm just taking the hot comb and I am just running that along the top of my head so that it is nice and flat. So after the Got To Be is dried, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that elastic band off. And as you can see, it's already giving scalp, baby. Like lace wear, you could barely see it. That's why I was having so much trouble cutting this lace, because I was like, I can't even see the lace, for real. So I am just taking some scissors, cutting the lace in like a zigzag motion so that it replicates like a very natural hairline. It was super quick, super easy, just because with less lace to work with, I think personally it's a lot easier. So, you know, I love 5x5s. And now I'm just taking a little bit of bronzer and just pretty much adding that to honestly where my actual forehead is, because when I was installing the wig cap, I got like a little bit of makeup on my skin and it kind of made me look lighter. So I'm just putting bronzer on my forehead so it blends better. Now I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and I'm just brushing out the curls. I did curl this hair. I love how the curls turned out, and I feel like it's perfect for the little Halloween makeup look that we're gonna do at the end. Oh, and I do want to mention I did bleach the knots on this hair and I also did pluck the hairline. So just make a disclaimer. And as you can see, we're pretty much done with the hair, but I just wanted to show you guys how it curls. So I'm just gonna be taking a flat iron and showing you how I do my curls. Yes, I do my curls with the flat iron. I'm not really good at using like a curling iron to curl my hair. I really don't know how to do it. So I just like twist the flat iron and I get the perfect little ringlet curl. So that's what we're doing here. And as you can see, it curls very, very pretty. And then I just wanted to add a little bit of like a face framing layer to the front of the wig. So I just took some scissors and cut a very, very small layer into my bang. It really probably didn't do much at all, but I just wanted to give myself a little bit more face framing look, you know? So after I finally finished messing with my bang, I want to show you guys the final look. Look at this hair, it's so pretty. Absolutely love. So cute, easy, effortless. I really love how this wig looks on my head. Like, I really feel like it looks like my own hair. Like, it looks like I dyed my hair this color, for real. And then the shine, the luster, the body of this hair. And then I just want to show you guys where the hair hit on me. It's about this long. And then here is a back look of the hair. Like I said, pretty curls, very long, very shiny, great body. I love. And then it hit me about, I would say, midway down my back. So you guys, we're hopping right into the makeup look. My camera did cut off when I started doing this, but I just took a black eyeliner and I just drew a little nose on my face. And if you guessed it, you guessed it. We're doing a cute little cat look. Honestly, I feel like it gives lion with this hair because I feel like this hair color is kind of like a lion mane color. So honestly, you could be like a lion or just a little pretty kitty cat for Halloween. Any last minute Halloween parties and you don't really have a costume, this is the go-to. So I just went ahead and drew a line down the center of like above my lip and then 3 dots on each side of that line. And now I'm just taking a liner and just drawing a cat eye, because what would a cat be without a bomb cat eye wing? With that same liner, I just went ahead and drew 3 little whiskers on the side of my face. Y'all, this is the easiest and most simple but cutest Halloween costume to do when you're in a pinch. Like, I promise you, if you show up to a Halloween party with this little costume on, people gonna love you. It's so cute, it's so effortless, and y'all, it took me like 5 minutes. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Definitely check out all the details in the description box down below. Like I said, I'll have a discount code for you guys as well, so you can save some money if you want to do some wig shopping. I got you, girl. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.